this is just how you can check your Mango allocation. So, first I just went to their main this thing on Twitter, X. So I just went there, then I now click the link from there because you have to make sure you're clicking the correct link so that you don't go and sign into a wallet that is not the main account, it's not the real wallet, then you can kind of lose access to your airdrop allocation. Because we know that the way they came about is not really with the normal way with MetaMask or OKX or some or the likes of that. So their own style is a bit unique where you have to basically create your own wallet, Mango wallet like that. So I want to get the link from here. Let me see, I just came from the checker. Okay, so I'm going to paste the link down below, Mango Network Checker. So once you automatically sign in, you'll be given this task right here to go and follow them with the main account, okay? Your main Twitter account that is connected to their testnet. Remember the testnet, tax of testnet that happened, I think, January, February, thereabout. So the account is connected here. You can see my Twitter account right here. The one I binded was my my main account. So that's why that's the one that you connect to. Then this is a task that you must do during the meantime. Let's just wait for this to load. Okay, network. Nice one. So as I'm waiting for it to load, that's just basically what you're meant to do. So once you connect it successfully, then you will now be taken to, you sign into your wallet and just complete those normal tasks and all that chat. So I think here I was able to get up to 1,000 points thereabouts. I joined kind of late, so I was able to get up, just rack up to 3,000 points thereabouts. But nothing special. I mean, as always, you don't even expect anything. That's what, just to be honest, don't expect anything. The minimum you can expect is maybe sub or data sub or something like that. But if you get your hopes too high, I mean, we've had the recent Assista AI, Inferium, and Layer Edge is basically the biggest disappointment, really. So, it's in the past. But so, as always, you don't put your heart to anything. That's why you try and do as much airdrop as possible. So the one that's going to click, maybe you call mama calls. But that's just it, chat. So once you officially do this task, why is it taking so long? Once you officially do this task, once you follow them, then you'll be able to now kind of sign. There's like 3 stage, 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's do this. So you connect the wallet. So you can see this is what I said. It's not like the usual airdrop way to be MetaMask that will pop out, but this time around you can see it's this. So initially when you join, it's not going to show you this right here. It's because I've already done the remaining tasks. That's why it's showing me this quota. So this was my point from the testnet. I think. So this was my point from the testnet chart. So then you now scroll down, you sign into your wallet, just sign into it and all those things. Then you now scroll down. Then you complete this task, follow Bindex using your main Twitter account. So that's when I showed you right here that it took me here. I followed them, then I went back. Then there will be a refresh button here. So you click on refresh to show pending. Then until you click, then now move to step 2, confirm share, view and confirm my airdrop. So you just click on confirm. That's when it now start displaying this quota right here. So I think this is all our points. Then this will technically be our allocation that we can claim after the TGE. So probably after a list, which is going to be bad, but it depends on the listing price. I'm not going to put my mind. I don't even know what to expect from this because, as always, I just expect the worst case scenario. So in my mind, I can zero my mind that this is my point right here. Maybe 100 will be like $10. So this will be like $20 thereabout. I'm not putting my hopes up for that $20 self. Feels far-fetched during this way this year has been looking. Then step 3, get reward. Reward will be claimed issued in order of claim. So basically, this one will be after TGE. Previously, it was showing me after 25th or 26th. Now it's not showing. It's not displaying that. But anyhow, so that's just the scope, and yeah, you're good to go. So after signing everything, you'll be good to go. So that's just it for how to check your Mango testnet allocation and all that. So I'll just paste this link down below so you can just copy it from there, and it's easy to go. If you find this video useful or helpful, you can smash that like button and let me just say the usual